Hi everyone! Today we're making these soft, moist, and delicious little cakes with a fruit jam filling that really takes them to the next level. Best of all, they are completely gluten-free. Stick around because I'm going to show you how to make these amazing gluten-free mini cakes step by step. To start, let's add 3/4 cup or 120 grams of white chocolate and 1/4 cup or 55 grams of unsalted butter to a large bowl. Melt this in the microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring in between until it is completely smooth, and then set it aside to cool. In another bowl, add 3 eggs at room temperature, 1/4 cup or 50 grams of sugar, and 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of vanilla extract. Whisk until the mixture is smooth and combined, but try not to overbeat it. Once the white chocolate and butter mixture has cooled down a little, pour the beaten eggs into it. Stir gently with your whisk until everything is incorporated. Next, add 1 cup or 100 grams of almond flour and a pinch of salt. This almond flour cake recipe does not use any baking powder or baking soda. Mix gently once more, just until the flour is fully blended in. Now, line a cupcake pan with paper liners. Fill each liner about 2/3 of the way with the batter. Don't fill them more than that because they will rise a bit in the oven due to the eggs. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes. The exact time may vary depending on your oven. They should look lightly golden on top, and when you insert a toothpick into the center, it should come out with moist crumbs rather than being completely clean. As soon as we take the pan out of the oven, we need to move quickly while the cakes are still hot. Use a small glass or a similar tool to gently press into the center of each cake, creating a small well. This step is important to do while they are warm because the cakes are easier to shape. Press down and gently twist the glass so it doesn't stick and creates a perfect space for our filling. Remove the cakes from the pan and move them to a cooling rack so they can cool down completely at room temperature. Once they are cool, fill each center with your favorite fruit jam. You can use strawberry, blueberry, or whatever flavor you like best. These jam-filled cakes can stay at room temperature for up to 2 days. But after that, I recommend keeping them in the fridge for up to 1 week. And that's it. Soft, moist, gluten-free mini cakes with a jam filling that makes them even more delicious. If you liked this easy dessert recipe, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. See you next time.